right now we're in Provident Village. We're going to Lopez house. Let's go. Okay, here is Lopez house. Let's see what's inside. You are now watching in Kitchen Moto. Hello, Miss Lopez.
Hi. It's a pleasure to be in your show.
Yeah, I'm so very thankful that you accept my
Yes.
invitation, and let's start.
Yeah, I'm excited.
Hi everyone, I'm Chef Michi P. Palmones,
And I'm Chef Roxanne Lobrague.
and our dishes for today is called Adonaldi Bonquilla de la Malbuena de Noctina with pineapple. Preparing ingredients for our dish. First, soy sauce 2 tablespoons,
Garlic onion,
vinegar 3 tablespoons,
pineapple tidbits,
and 1 cup water,
potato,
pepper,
and lastly, cooking oil. Chicken.
2. Cooking.
Prepare our marinade. Second is combine the garlic and onion. The third is 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. For our pineapple tidbits, 3 tablespoons. And after 30 minutes, it adds taste and it makes our chicken. After 30 minutes, we fried it for 5 minutes until it becomes golden brown. Last is set aside our marinade syrup. It will be used later.
Sarap naman. Moto tip. Fried chicken skin side down to fry it nice and golden brown. We fried it to absorb the flavor and to avoid the steaming. Golden brown. We will use the marinade. Add the potato and 1 cup water.
And simmer it for 15 minutes. Lastly, add the Del Monte pineapple tidbits. Plating it. Step 4. Plating.
And last, ready to serve our special dish, Adonaldi Bonquilla a la Malbuena de Noctrina with pineapple.
Go. 2, 3.
Hi guys! Good day to all of both of you. So how was the food?
So very nice because the chicken is very tasty and delicious, and also the plating is very nice because there is something but never receive.
Si Miss Ebuenga. Good combination of sweet and sour, and the Del Monte pineapple teddy have a good flavor, and in the adobo manok and twist, and overall it was very good.
Okay, Mr. Mones, I think you did a good job. And thank you for guesting to our show, Mr. Tenorio and Ms. Ebuenga.
Thank you, thank you.
Yes. Okay, for more information, visit us delmontekitchenmoto.ph.com.
Bye!
Alright guys, thank you for watching. We've done our new recipe for this day, and I hope you enjoyed our session for this day. Okay, thank you. See you tomorrow in our kitchen motto.